So I just wanted to basically explain to you guys my setup here. This is my main microphone. Here is my iPhone, which records in 4K, and my 4K camera here that is hooked up to my computer. On this monitor, this is just to monitor the iPhone, because the back-end camera is what's going to give you the best video, but you can't see yourself, obviously. So this is set up with a converter cable. This is a Lightning to HDMI. Additionally, it allows me to keep my phone on the USB charge so I don't run out of battery, and I can record however long I want to record. So this is just a temporary setup, okay? I wanted high-end video without having to splurge on a camera. Got my iPhone here, and as long as it's turned this way, I get that high-end video. This I spent a little money on. It has a little tripod on the bottom so that I can move it over here or wherever I want and get a second angle.